Hello everyone, welcome to Rajeshwari's Commerce and Management Study Hub. I am Rajeshwari here. Let us discuss today EOQ under Material Cost. EOQ stands for Economic Order Quantity. Now, Economic Order Quantity means what? Where you are getting a quantity, the materials at a reduced value, means cost reduction. You can call it sasta. ನಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗೋ ರೀತಿ ಆರ್ಡ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, EOQ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ ನ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಬರೀ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಆರ್ಡರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆರ್ಡರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Right, so ordering cost also we are considering, and when I am bringing a material, I'm not bringing for the as of now, I'll buy it for the future production activities also. See, always I will consider my annual consumption. What is my requirement annually, how much I need to buy, how much if I buy it is beneficial. So for that, once I brought the material, I need to have a storeroom. For that, storage cost will be there. You need to have a storekeeper, store maintenance and all will be there, right? So that's why the storage cost also we are considering. Okay, now we'll see one example. If the requirement of materials 10,000 units or kgs for a year they are purchased. If they purchase all together in the initial beginning of the year, is it possible to maintain this? See, there will be a chance of losses also, right? Because you are buy today for the rate every day fluctuates. You buy it at a high rate, tomorrow the rate may be low, right? So there is a chance of losses also. Then there will be a chance of damage because of maintenance. If it is very sensible goods, you need to maintain very carefully, so damage. Then, and you are bearing the today's cost and the future cost, that is initial cost and the future cost. You bought this, you paid transportation charge, insurance, everything, and you are storing this. For this you are maintaining a store maintenance, you are doing, storekeeper is there, for him you are paying a wages, salary, right? So today's cost also you are bearing and future cost also you are bearing. If the rate was reduced, again you need to bear the cost. And because of the huge stock, you won't be able to track sometimes the inflow and outflow of materials. There is a chance of theft also. You will have that fear, right? So these are all disadvantages is there if you buy in bulk at a time, right? So what you have to do then? Then how you are using this material? If you buy 10,000 in the initial beginning of the year only, are you going to use all this material in a day? No, immediately you are not using. The usage will be the first month maybe you are using 500 unit. Second month you may using 1000 units. Third month only 480 you used. Fourth month again you have used 2000. Fifth month only 300. Sixth month you used 500. Right? You are not using all together. So you need to maintain the storage. The storage cost is incurring for whole year. So this economic order quantity will help you when you can buy, when your ordering cost and the storage cost is minimum. Okay, what quantities you can buy, where you will get the ordering cost and the storage cost is minimum. This is called optimum cost, maximum usage. So we'll see now the meaning of economic order quantity. Economic order quantity, it is the size of the order for which total of ordering and carrying cost are at minimum. So total ordering cost and the storage cost, carrying cost is minimum. That is very important because you have money, you can't buy the quantity and store it in the storage room, right? Ordering, what is ordering cost? Ordering cost is the cost which are associated with the purchase or order of material. Purchase or order of material. That is your transportation cost. See now example you are ordering in Flipkart, Amazon and all. After ordering there will be delivery charges are applicable. So that is your transportation cost, right? The ordering cost, the it will be fixed, it won't get changed. See if you are purchasing one book or items, the quantity you will increase, but the delivery cost will be same. They will take a minimum period and maximum period timings they are going to take. You will get order by this day or within this day, like that. Carrying cost is the cost for holding the inventory. After ordering, you will receive the materials. You need to store that. So the cost of storage, insurance, all are covering under the carrying cost. Now, how this formula is formulated? EOQ. What are the factors are influencing to calculate this EOQ? On what basis we will calculate? See here, when I'm calculating EOQ, I need to know what is my annual usage. That is the first point. Annual ಯೂಸೇಜ್. ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೇನೆ ನಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಯೂಸೇಜ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಯೂಸೇಜ್ ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್, ಆರ್ಡರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್. ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್. ಎಷ್ಟು? ಓವರ್ ಆಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿಗಲ್ಲ, ಪರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಪರ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆರ್ ಪರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ದೆನ್ ಸ್ಟೋರೇಜ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್. ಸ್ಟೋರೇಜ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್, ಸ್ಟೋರೇಜ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ ಪರ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಗೆ? ಪರ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಗೆ ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಪ್ರೈಸು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ನ ಪರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀರಿ. ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಒನ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್. See, these are all the factors will influence our EOQ formula. Now, we'll denote this annual usage or U. The placement cost is P. The storage cost is S. Right? Now, we'll see. On what basis I am doing my ordering quantity? My ordering quantity is depends on how many units I am using. Usage, my usage. And what is the placement cost or ordering cost, that I need to know. Okay. And this will be equal to ordering quantity. Now we are checking with the storage cost. The storage cost I will be taking on average quantity. The ordering quantity in average. In average. Why we are taking in average? See here, I'm using each month different quantities. I won't be able to charge each month different storage cost. So what I will do, I will take an average maintenance. How many quantities I am maintaining average. Because after once the stock is clear, you won't be able to order. If you order also, you are not getting immediately. That will affect on your ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ. ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಡಿಲೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಲಾಸಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಒಂದು ಆವ್ರೇಜ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿನ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಪರ್ಪಸ್. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಿ, ಆ ಆವ್ರೇಜ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ ಸ್ಟೋರೇಜ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ನ ತಗೋತೀರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಆವ್ರೇಜ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2 is average. We are taking average, that's why it is divided by 2. Divided by 2 into, on what we are calculating, storage cost. Storage cost. Now what I need, what is my this U into P into 2. 2 annual usage and placement cost is equal to, sorry, by ordering quantity is equals to ordering quantity storage cost into storage cost. Now 2UP is equals to cross multiplication order quantity into order quantity square into storage cost. Now what I need to calculate here? My ordering quantity. So I'll just change the place. I need to know my ordering quantity is equals to 2UP by SC. 2UP by SC. Right? Now, ordering quantity is equal to, I'm just transferring the square root to this 2UP by SC. Now, this is the formula, right, you are using. Now, see, we'll see formula. See, EOQ is equals to 2AO by C. A is annual consumption, O is ordering cost per order we are taking, and carrying cost per unit we are taking. This is ordering cost per order and carrying cost per unit on the price we will calculate. Okay. So this form ordering cost in some textbooks they are given as B. So you can use the formula. If you understand what you need to input, then you will get output properly, correctly. So no need to worry about it. You need to know why you are recording, when you are recording, how you are recording. In accounting, that is most important. Always raise the questions in yourself. Try to get an answer to those questions. Okay. Now we'll see. If you take any purchase, it includes three costs. It includes three costs. We have discussed all the three costs. We'll see now. See, this is purchase cost. The purchase cost will be there. That is example 10,000 units at rupees 10 each. This will be fixed. This is not going to change. So it is fixed, right? Ordering cost. It includes transportation cost, documentation cost, inspection cost. They won't take it on per unit. They will take it on per order. They'll take it on per order. And carrying cost includes your storage cost and insurance cost. And always remember, this is both are contradictory. Always they are vice versa. They are not same. They will never become equal. But where the point they will be equal, that is called our EOQ. Okay. So always this is opposite. See here, we have one example. Now, example, you are ordering quarterly. 2500 quantity. Quarterly means how many times you can give an order? 4 orders you can give in a year, right? 4 orders. Per order they are charging 1000 units. 1000 per order is rupees 1000. So 4 into 1000, your ordering cost is 4000. The carrying cost, the room you have allotted, you are paying rent, that will be fixed. Right, per month the room rent, storage room rent is 10,000, 3,000, or if they fixed, that will be same amount they are going to charge every month. They won't change it based on orders you are receiving. But here, 6 months, if you are ordering twice, your order cost is 1000 rupees, 1000 into 2000, your ordering cost is reduced. The units are same, going to remain same. So this cost is decreased and this cost is increased. This cost is increased because you are ordering twice. They won't charge less. They won't charge less. The storage room remains the same. Okay, and if you order once in a year also, because you are storing whole year there, no, so you are using 1000, the ordering cost is reduced, but your carrying cost is increased. Carrying cost is increased. See, with this example we can understand here, when my carrying cost is increasing, my ordering cost is decreasing. Okay, so where the ordering cost and the carrying cost intersect each other, this point is called our EOQ. EOQ. That's why we have written EOQ. The ordering quantity is equals to ordering cost is equal to carrying cost. Carrying cost or storage cost. Okay. This point is called optimum cost. Optimum cost. Now we'll solve one question problems to understand more. Here we have a question. Calculate the EOQ from the following information. Also state the number of orders to be placed in a year. So here we are saying how many quantities and how many orders. Both. Consumption of material per annum. So consumption of material always we are taking on annum yearly basis. So how many kgs? 10,000 kg. Order placing cost per order is rupees 50. Cost per kg of raw materials rupees 2. Storage cost is 8% on average inventory. Now we'll solve this question. Solution. What is the formula? EOQ is equals to square root of 2AO by C. By C. Here 2 into A is our annual consumption. Annual consumption is how much? 10,000. 10,000. Ordering cost is rupees 50. Order placing cost per order is 50. 50 by carrying cost on per unit we are taking. The cost per kg of raw material is 2 rupees. On 2 rupees 8% is 0.16. Now calculate with me 2 into 10,000 into 50 is 10 lakh by 0.16 divided by 0.16 is 6 lakh 62 lakh 50,000. 62 lakh 50,000. Square root of this is 2,500. 2,500. Right. Our EOQ is 2,500. Now what we need to calculate? We have calculated EOQ. How many quantities they can order. Now how many orders they can place. Number of orders. For that formula is number of orders is equals to total consumption, that is total usage. Consumption of materials by EOQ. Already we have calculated. So what is our total consumption? The total consumption is 10,000 by 2,500 is 4, right? 10,000 divided by 2,500 is 4 orders in a year they can place. Okay. So here we have calculated EOQ with the help of annual consumption and ordering cost per order and the carrying cost on per unit. Okay. So after calculating EOQ, we have calculated number of orders also. Now we'll solve one more question. From the following particulars, calculate the economic order quantity. Annual requirement is 1,600 units. Cost of materials per unit is rupees 50. Cost of placing and receiving one order rupees 40 per order. Annual carrying cost of inventory 10% of the inventory value. Also find the number of orders to be placed in a year. Again, what is the formula? Formula is, first write the formula. The EOQ is equals to 2AO by C. Here A is annual consumption. Annual consumption is 1,600 unit into ordering cost is 40 rupees by on 50 rupees 10% is 5 rupees, right? 2 into 1600 into 40 by 5. 2 into 1600 into 40 is 1,28,000. 1,28,000 by 5 divided by 5 is 25,600. 25,600. The square root of 25,600 is 160. Square root of 25,600 is 160. Your EOQ is 160. Now we need to calculate the number of orders also. So the number of orders, how we are calculating? The number of orders is equal to total usage or annual usage by EOQ. Annual usage is 1600 units by 160. How many orders we can place? 1600 by 160 is 10 orders in a year. 10 orders in a year. Thank you for watching. Happy learning. If you have any doubts, you can comment. And if you are not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe the channel, share it to your friends. And the main motto of our channel is clearing the concepts. Have a nice day. See you in next video.